I want to take a moment to talk about NimblePros Academy. In July 2024, we launched our first course, Introducing Clean Architecture. The second course has just been released into early access on Identity Essentials. One of the questions I've gotten is how we choose our topics. I listen to the community around the topics that my teammates have been working with for years. I also look for ways to share our experiences. With clean architecture, I chose that as the topic because we do a lot of clean architecture discussion with our clients. I also hear the gripes of the community when it comes to Ardalis' template and figured we should address its technical decisions. Knowing some of my audience, I had to include scripts on creating bare-bones starting points because I know that there are decisions of your own that you may want to include in your own scripted starting point. With Identity Essentials, I thought of the questions we get on the Clean Architecture template and why we haven't simply included identity. Because that's just it. Identity isn't a simple thing. There are a lot of terms to understand and steps to implement in getting identity to work. There are configuration issues, implementation issues, and if you don't have a solid understanding of identity before trying to troubleshoot either of those, there are knowledge issues. Earlier in my career, I had either the choice of ASP.NET Identity or rolling my own. For one case, ASP.NET Identity made sense. For another, it did not, and I ended up rolling my own identity system, complete with bit masks and bitwise operations. I do not recommend you rolling your own identity system. Not then, and most definitely not now. In modern development, ASP.NET Identity with .NET Core is a bit easier to implement. Providers such as Auth0, Okta, Keycloak, OpenIDIC, Wendy, Identity Server, and more make it easier to say no to rolling your own system. In our Identity Essentials course, I walk through the foundational concepts in identity, principles, claims, grants, tokens, credentials, SAML, JOT, OAuth, OpenID Connect, and many more concepts. These are concepts that are heavy to understand and even heavier to implement. So it's important that we establish an understanding of these before we get into the code. Later this year, we will be releasing the companion course, Implementing Identity with ASP.NET Core, in early access. This is when we get into the implementation details and understanding how to code it. We also have more courses planned for next year in the areas where we enjoy consulting, including some topics which we have covered in webinars in the past. I do get questions from others about deals on our courses, especially those who are job hunting or in other countries where the price might seem a little more pricey. Here are some tips for finding the best deals on our courses. First off, our early access discounts have been the best deals we've run, at 60% off. These come at the cost of the course not yet being complete, but if you can handle that it's unfinished, this is a great deal to take. We don't run higher percentage deals. With these deals, understand that they are not complete, but by the end of the early access period, you will have the complete course. You can find our early access courses in our early access category on our site. So if you go to our website, which is academy.nimblepros.com, and if you change the category from all to early access, this will show you the course or courses that we have currently in early access. The early access courses, if you try using the promo code early access, that should get you a significant discount on the course. So right now you'll see Identity Essentials is there. The early access promo code is available between now and November 27th, 2024. So this is a short early access period. Full access to the course will be happening then. We do also run deals around the holidays, so follow us on social media. We're on X, Blue Sky, LinkedIn, and YouTube. We do include promo codes in some of our YouTube videos, some of our webinars, and also in some of our Dallas' videos. So make sure you're checking those out as well. We do include promo codes sometimes in our conference talks. So if you want to find out where we're speaking, make sure to follow our Dallas and Sadukie on the socials. We'll also run bundle deals once we get there. Some of our upcoming courses lend themselves to some bundle deals. So stay tuned. With NimblePros Academy, we hope to help you write better code and make better software development and software architecture decisions. We hope to live up to our tagline of better software development delivered. Get started today. Check out our site at academy.nimblepros.com.